Hey guys, Big Phil here and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be checking out Huawei's latest flagship earbuds, the FreeBuds Pro 4. This is the latest one and I've been a big fan of the Pro earbuds from Huawei. Starting from the Pro 1, I had the Pro 1, I used the Pro 2. They were amazing. They were really good with lots of features, even though they were quite expensive, but you got a lot for your money. So this is the latest one, right? I didn't buy the Pro 3. So this is the Pro 4 and the design is better, a lot of upgrades. And let's find out if this earbud is better than the Samsung Galaxy Pro earbud, or is it even better than the Sony? For the specifications about this earbud, it has a high-res audio. It has dual drivers, yes guys, one dynamic driver and one planar diaphragm driver. I've never heard about planar diaphragm driver, so that is definitely a new technology in this earbud. For the battery life, according to Huawei, it will last you 6.5 hours with noise cancelling turn off and 4.5 hours with noise cancelling turn on, which I think it's quite alright. And it has a Bluetooth 5.2. It has a dynamic intelligence dynamic ANC, that means intelligence dynamic active noise cancelling, ultra hearing, I don't know what that means, we're going to find out, stable and private calls, and you can connect this earbud to up to 2 devices at the same time. That is quite interesting. Lots of upgrades, lots of new features. Let's check it out, guys. And man, the packaging is very good. Remember, this is a flagship earbud, so the packaging, everything about it feels and looks premium. All right, let's see. How do we open it up? Just simply slide it just like this. Wow. Wow. Beautiful, guys. And this earbud comes in 3 colors. You can have it in this black one right here. So you can see everything is black and gold. Wow, beautiful package, man. This is, well, I just dropped it already. So the first thing you can see is the earbud, which I would say the case looks nice. Premium, man. Premium quality. Wow. And I like this gold accent. It really looks nice, man. Okay. So it comes in 3 colors. You can have it either in this black, or you can have it in green or in white. They all have this gold accent all around the case. Okay. It has a sound. When you open up the case, it has this sound. Wow. Whoa, so far I'm loving everything about this earbud. And these are some replacing ear tips. Let's see how many that comes with it. All right, 8. There are 8 pair of extra ear tips right here, guys. Extra large, right up to extra small. And what else do we have at the bottom? I believe this should be the charging, okay, quick start guide and the charging cable. Let's see, Type C to Type A. I wish it was Type C to Type C though. Wow, very nice unboxing experience, man. Listen, for the money, the unboxing experience is incredible. But now let's take a detailed look of the earbud. So far, the unboxing experience is just amazing, A+. But now, what about the earbud? What about the charging case? First of all, very small, very compact. You can fit this into your bag, into your pocket. I mean, you can get it anywhere, very small. I like this, man. The build quality, incredible. Very nice build. It looks premium. It feels premium. And remember, it's quite expensive, but trust me, it's worth the price. Beautiful build quality. Hard, solid build. Nice case. I really like it. And I like this gold accent that goes around the case opening right here. Nice gold accent. Even at the charging port. USB Type-C input for charging. And I don't know if this earbud have a wireless charger, but let's see. I mean, if you can charge it wirelessly. But let's see, I have a wireless charger right here. Let's check it out. Moment of truth. Yes, it does have wireless charging, guys. You can see the light here, the LED indicator. That's good. It has wireless charging. Now, apart from the USB Type-C input, on the corner, there is a speaker right here. And that's why when you open up the case, you can hear this sound. Every time you open up, take a listen. Yeah, so there's a sound. And at the back, Huawei branding, very nice build quality, man. I really like this. Now for the earbuds, the design is still the same as the first Huawei FreeBuds Pro 1. The Pro 1 still the same design, but on the profile, the profile place is better looking. As you can see, this gold accent looks good, and there's a little H right here on the top. I believe it's new Huawei's logo. The name branding is here. I like this. And the touch sensitive part has been differentiated. You see right here? As compared to the one didn't have any indication of where you have to press, but this has a little part right here, little touch sensitive part. Nice, I mean, good looking earbuds. The design is still the same, which I like, because even the FreeBuds Pro 1, I was a big fan of the design. It fits my ear very well, and this, I'm very sure this is gonna fit my ear perfectly well. Still the same design, looks good. And when you drop them back in the charging case, they automatically start charging. There's one LED indicator right here, which indicates the battery life of the charging case, and when you're charging it, the light will light up. Really looks nice, man. Nice build quality. I like it. I like it so far. I'm loving the unboxing experience. I'm loving the build quality, loving the design, the colors. And remember, you can either have it in this black, white, or green. But to me, I think this black is better looking, and it's discreet too. Or the green one also looks great, the green one. But to me, this is the best color right here. All right, now let me pair it to my smartphone, and let's check out other features. Alright guys, I just paired this earbud to my iPhone, and yes, it is compatible with iPhones and Androids, and I've tested the sound quality. We're going to talk about the sound quality later, but first, the app. You have to download this app. It is called Huawei's AI Life. You have to download it, and once you download the app, this is what it looks like. It shows you the earbud that you have, the battery life of the left and the right earbuds, and at the bottom we have either noise cancelling, you can turn it off, or awareness. And the noise cancelling here, but first I have to put it in my ears before the noise cancelling can be activated. All right, now when the awareness is turned on, you can also turn on voice mode. For noise cancelling, there are different modes of noise cancelling. Either you can use dynamic, cozy, general, or ultra. This is my favorite right here. It blocks out huge amount of noise, guys. The noise cancelling here is incredible. All right, on the bottom we have the EQ, the equalizers. There's default. There is balance. This is my favorite right here. Balance gives you a good balance between bass, treble, and everything. So I advise you guys to choose balance. Trust me, it's amazing. There's classic. There's bass boost. Bass boost, it just gives you crazy amount of bass, not good quality bass. I don't like it. There's treble boost, voices, symphony, and hi-fi live. Then at the bottom, we have more. You can test how fit the earbuds are in your ears. And talking about the fit, this earbud fits perfectly well in my ears. Remember, as I mentioned earlier in this video, it's the same design as the Pro 1, which I was a big fan of the Pro 1. It fits my ears so well. I use it everywhere in the gym and everything. But this right here, I'm also going to test this earbud in the gym and other places before doing my full review of this earbud. So make sure to stay tuned, because I'll be using this earbud for probably like a few days. Then I'll be able to provide you guys with full in-depth reviews about this earbud. I'm going to test them in the gym, walking around, doing so many things. So we will see. And there is also gesture control. You can control the earbud by pinching. You can pinch once, pinch twice, or pinch 3 times for different things, different features. And there is find the earbuds. So if you misplace one of it, you can find it, which is nice. There's update, settings. Then now, controls. There is tap, there is pinch, there is tap, there is pinch and hold, and there is swipe. And now, the sound quality. Listen, I just did a little test of this earbud because this video is all about unboxing and first impression. I'm going to do a full in-depth review of these earbuds, and I'm also going to do some other tips, some features, because this earbud has a lot of features. So I'm going to do a video explaining all those features for the best listening experience. So if you have this earbud or if you're planning on buying it, which I highly recommend, just my first impression is incredible. I love this earbud, guys. Honestly, the sound quality, whoa, amazing. This is the earbud I've been using for so long now, my Sony. I always keep going back to my Sony headphones, my Sony earbud, because it has been the best. Trust me, I've tested so many different earbuds, but I always go back to the Sony. But right now, the question is, will the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 4 replace my Sony? I'm going to answer that question when I do the full review, guys. I'll let you guys know if this Huawei right here, but I'm thinking that it might replace my Sony, guys. And I've been using this Sony for I've been using Sony earbuds for so many years now. I've tried so many earbuds, I always go back to Sony. But this might replace. We're going to find out in the full review. But honestly, the sound quality is really good, lots of volume. Even when you push up the volume right up to 100%, it sounds incredible, lots of bass. And remember, as I mentioned earlier, choose balance. You're going to have a good balance between bass, good quality bass, rich bass, and nice treble. So choose balance, guys. Yeah. So that's it for this video, unboxing and my first impression. Stay tuned for the full review, guys, and lots of other videos coming about this earbuds. Yeah, and thank you guys for watching. Let me know down in the comment section if you have any question about it. I'll reply to all questions, and stay tuned for the full review coming soon. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button for a lot of good videos coming up on Big Phil TV. And see you into the next one. Peace.